Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing question number 30 of the 50 top ALJ trick questions that you are likely to hear in the Social Security Disability Administrative Law Judge hearing at the OHO building, which is the Office of Hearings. Okay, we've been doing a lot of videos at this point. We're going to take a break after this one. Let's go ahead and begin. So let's say you say to the judge, "Oh, it's really bad. I gotta sit down every 5 minutes. I can't do stuff. I can't stand. I can't walk. It's really super duper bad. Cha cha cha. Yada yada yada." Okay, cool. Question 30. If you need to sit down every 5 minutes, this is the judge asking it, then where do you find a seat when you're out and about? Right? You have to go ahead and sit down every 5 minutes. There's not always a seat available. Like you're outside, there's not a seat unless you find one. You might not always have a seat around. This is a trick question. Some potential answers are a seated walker, a bench, a tree log, a curb, a car seat, a window ledge, whatever. You could find something to answer that with. However, what they're getting at is, if it's so bad, why don't you have a walker with a seat? Why don't you have a wheelchair? Why don't you have some sort of ambulatory device that allows you to sit down? Right? That's what they're getting at. So that's a trick question, because if you're going into the I can't stand or walk for more than 5 minutes, then guess what? They're going to say, well, then where the heck are you going to be sitting every 5 minutes? Right? Make sense? Okay. I'm keeping these short. I'm getting right to the point with them, not doing a lot of jazz. The reason why is I have two little things to cover. Number one, if you have any further questions, you want the most up-to-date information, give me a call, shoot me an email, that's fine. Number two, on the 9th of April, 2020, 8 p.m., you can call me on this phone, 47279-1754. The phone number's on the thing. And I'll go ahead and run questions with you, first come, first serve, as if you were in the hearing. I will beat you up, and that's okay, because you'll learn basically directly. It won't be in a structure like this. It'll be me beating you up as if I were beating up one of my claimants. Actually, with my claimants, I do it slowly, then I go quickly at the speed of the hearing, and then I go ahead and basically I throw trick questions in. I beat the hell out of you, because you need to know how to get out of that situation, because when you're in there, I can't always save you. I can save you most of the time, but not always. All right, so you need to be a little smart in there. All right, we're going to take a little break at this point. We're going to be then doing questions 30 through 40, and then we'll take another break, and then questions 40 through 50, and then we'll take another break, and then I'll do a couple of videos on the pandemic known as COVID-19/coronavirus, and specifically how it affects disability benefits. I'll catch you a little bit later. My name is Attorney Walter Hnot. Hope all is well. We'll go from there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.